Hello everyone, now I'm going to introduce the WAVE project Unit 1 and 2. The first part belongs to types of personality according to Myers-Briggs. The first kind of personality is adventurous. People who have this kind of personality are characterized by experiencing new challenges, always leaving fear aside. These people invent new things combining the art and aesthetics. However, they hate monotony and the traditional life. For this reason, they are always inventing new things. There are different types of jobs in which they can stand out. For example, they could be tourist guide and artist, such as musician, painter, and sculptor, in others. In addition, there are adjectives that describe this kind of personality. For example, generous and introvert. These people are generous with their friends and try to help them all the time. However, they prefer to keep the distance and not much provide a lot of confidence. The second kind of personality is logistician. People with this type of personality represent the 13% of the population. These people are characterized by doing everything necessary to achieve their goal, regardless the difficulty that they have. However, these people are characterized by follow rules in mathematical system all the time. In this case, they hate not having autonomy because they prefer to work alone for a better performance. There are different jobs in they can stand out, and they could be lawyer and military, because these kind of jobs are always following codes and rules. In addition, these people could be described as honest and safe within their social environment are and with their friends. The third kind of personality is activist. People with this type of personality represent the 7% of population. They are mainly characterized by the fact the activist people always are taking risks in fight life and achieve their goals. Generally, they love to be creative all the time and try to solve different uh, social problems. However, they hate the social stress and to be judged by society to perhaps a new conception or different conception about life. There are different jobs in they can stand out and they could be film director, actor, and even journalist because they love to be creative and they love the freedom of expression. In addition, there are different adjectives to describe this type of personality. However, these people are considered as energetic and compassionate because all the time they are trying to help people and encourage them the to be a better person inside society. Which personality type best describes you? I could define my personality as adventurous because I always trying to leave the comfort zone to know and experience new things. Also, I love to travel and to know different cultures, know new people. As I could say that I love art and aesthetics of the things because I think that the best expression in the life is using art in music, in pictures, and in different things. Finally, I could say that I consider myself as a generous woman because all time I encourage my friends and motivate them to be a better student, to be a better person, and try to help them with different situations or with different difficulties that they have in their lives. The second part belongs to benefits of the art. What is art therapy and how does it help people? Art therapy is a new process that integrates psychotherapeutic techniques with a creative process to improve mental health and well-being. Art therapy is an approach to mental health that uses art creation process to improve mental, physical, and emotional well-being. The aim of art therapy is to help people with different problems using different art process in which they can explore their self-expression and develop different skills such as reading, listening, and others. What is music therapy and how does it help people? Music therapy is an interpersonal process in which the therapist uses music and meditation to help patients improve, restore, and maintain their health. However, this is a systematical process that favor that favor modulative factors which people have such as attention, emotion, cognition, behavior, and communication of people, because this kind of therapy encourages people to be more interactive with their friends and family. What kinds of medical illnesses, disorders, or problems could benefit from art and music therapy? The arts are used to successfully help people with different conditions that may include depression, Alzheimer, cancer, autism, pediatric trauma, and even heart disease. Also, this kind of therapy could be developed in different places, such as school, medical center, hospital, wellness, or different settings where counseling and medical care are provided. How does a person become an art or music therapist? What kind of experience or personality type is needed? And would you make a good art or music therapist? Explain your answer. To answer the first question, I think that becoming an art or music therapist requires a bachelor's degree in music or in art according to what they want to apply. These degree programs requires completion of course in the both areas. Also, in order to be certified, the individual or the person need to complete several hours in this career. Also, these people need to be supervised work in a work experience hours. Finally, they can take the certification given from the National Council for Therapy for Recreation certification. To answer the second question, I think that to work in this area, a people need to be activist, innovative, and adventurous person. Why activist? Because these kind of people are always helping other people and encourage them to be a better person or try to solve different problems in social area. Why innovative? I think that uh, this kind of personality is important in this area because people are always creating new things. And why adventurous? Adventurous is a kind of personality in which combine the art with different areas, and I think that could be better for people to improve these different settings and help others. And to answer the third question, I think that I could be a good art or music therapist because in this case I consider myself as adventurous, and in this case I like to work with different people and try to help them. Also, I think that it could be better help people using art. Thank you so much for watching this video.